goes my diet. She makes me a loaf.
The Bun need food.
She's killing me. There goes my diet. Worked all day, counting calories. All week. My niece makes meatloaf with potatoes for homework. So good. I can't put it down.
Come on.
Oh.
You gotta eat it. It's for my
You gave me
homework.
a lot, but I'm gonna keep going because this last plate I'm probably gonna have half.
There's more in the refrigerator. At the
No!
bun.
Oh,
The buns need
tomorrow she can have meatball sandwich, meatloaf. Lord, I'm gonna stab her.
Sandwich.
With a fork and knife. My sister.
Make sure it's
She's trying to kill me. Do you hear her?
bread.
She makes meatloaf.
Wheat bread.
I've been doing so good without potato bread. She makes potatoes.
Did you have your fiber today?
Unreal. It's
She
so good.
gives, my sister gives me freaking orange juice and fiber today. It makes me go to the bathroom.
Well, I was helping.
What color was it? Yo, I filled up the fucking number of my life. Filled up the toilet and clogged it up
Dad,
like
can I eat my
that.
food without thinking about you going to the bathroom? Ew.
I had to interrupt me in the shower. I couldn't
I
hold
didn't
it
throw
in.
up your food, you hear, huh? Oh, I can't take my sister talking about taking a shit. Drink my neuro water because it's going to make me feel better. I'm still on diet.
It's gonna be liquidy. Liquid.
Oh, trying to drink vitamin water. Trying to eat healthy. Lord, my niece makes potatoes and meat. Meatloaf, really? I should bet that. Oh, yes.
Come on, you need to eat more. I need to know my assignment.
Hold on. Can I take a drink?
Well, drink it faster. Tell your mouth to drink it faster.
Unbelievable. This is how I get told when I come home from work.
Eat faster.
She makes meat potatoes.
The buns need to eat.
After 8, it's going straight to my hips. Mom would say, after 6, straight to the hips. He's trying to kill me.
Eat it.
Oh, yeah, I was taking a drink. Have a glass.
No, stop using my glasses.
Kiss my ass and then I'll pull my. What's the problem?
Bend over and bear it, bitch.
I will if you like me to. You'll be kissing it all day because it's so big. Because I can't get rid of it.
It would take an entire
Can't even have a glass.
century to kiss it.
Can't even have a glass. No, don't drink my glasses.
No, you gotta eat the bun bun.
Well, I'm eating off of refined china. Paper plates.
Plastic.
Fine, China. There's our.
Refined china is the paper plates, you know?
Maybe.
Easy access, throw away. Clean up, we're done. I don't know why you're complaining. It's really good though,
Is it? The bun buns agree with her.
No, my hands are.
I
Bun buns are my
told
hands.
you this before she got home.
My bun buns are
You're
Didn't I tell you that she's gonna love it anyway?
No, I'm writing my own comments.
Oh, Nicole,
Not on the sheet though. I do not
I
write
told
like
this
you.
teacher. She
First
tells me
of
to make
all,
meatloaves and
I
potatoes.
have been.
Did you find this recipe on your own,
this
or this was assigned? This
couch
recipe, exactly.
all day.
No, we had to do it.
This recipe?
Not this one. It could be any.
Oh, it could be anything. So you could make me a diet meal? You make meat and potatoes something I love?
I could make you
I'm
whatever.
messing with you. I know you cook, baby.
I could cook whatever you want.
Mammy,
you didn't finish it!
I'm working on it. Let her
Finish it too!
Are you yelling at your father?
No, Tisha.
Did she eat?
Yes,
No. Yes?
Come on, ya.
Hey, I'm not doing anything to bite me.
Come on, before I burn you. I'm gonna burn you.
Burner.
I have a teacher named Miss Burner.
Burner?
Yeah, and she's a girl.
What are you doing with my lighter? Give me that lighter.
What?
So what are you doing with the lighter? Put it on.
Give me it.
I smell the. You want to burn, dog? I'm kidding.
That stupid candle crackles. No, it
It
crackles.
smells like apples. Do you like it?
Tired. I still can't figure out what this green stuff is. It's not peppers. It's not olives.
What does it taste like?
Paprika?
No.
Nope. Basil. I see basil or Italian seasoning.
Is it like?
That's what I put in. I put green peppers, onions. You know, we do the work.
Let me see it. What's green stuff?
Well, frozen in a piece of dough. It looks like a...
Is it like?
There. Right there. It is green. I can see
I don't
everything.
know. I don't know what the hell that is.
Seasoning.
It could be seasoning.
Probably seasoning.
I think it could be a type of
You
seasoning.
ever seen my plate? I gotta see it before.
I think your phone's ringing. The buns are saying to ignore it.
Yep. Another ringtone. That's Giovanni. Oh.
You didn't fix it.
I need it.
Where's my pen? I can't find the pen.
It's just set to you. I don't know where the pen went.
Hey, Hannah, you want to see a happy plate? You know what a happy plate looks
I
like?
didn't hide it.
You hid